Alright, so everybody did pretty well with the shorter putts. One thing I did see from a few of you, you got a little too wristy in your stroke. So it's going to be harder to make putts when you get wristy because you're going to have a hard time controlling the putter and the speed. So ideally what I want to see you do is use more of your shoulders. So if you put your hands together, you don't want to do this, you want to move actually from your shoulders. And that's going to help control your stroke. Real good. So we got short putts down. What else do you guys struggle with?
I struggle with green reading.
You struggle with green reading? Okay. Do you have trouble just figuring out where the ball's going to go, or pace, or both?
A mixture of both.
Mixture of both. Okay. I personally think green reading's pretty easy. So when I'm walking up to my golf ball, I'm going to assess the situation. I'm going to look for a high point, which would probably be over there with the parking lot. And I'd look for a low point, which would be over towards that swamp. So when it's raining out, like on Sunday, all that water that came down went from a high point to a low point, drained over in there to the swamp. And the golf ball wants to do the same thing, okay? So, if I'm going over here to this hole right now, I know that I'm gonna have to aim a few feet to the right because it's gonna want to slope to the left. Make sense? So all it is just looking around, find the high point, find the low point, and now you just have to assess how much break you have to play. And that's going to be coming from practice and green speeds. Alright? So why don't we try some longer putts now? Let's try some 6 to 8 feet, maybe farther. This is a good chance to practice your green reading too, because it's probably going to come into play a little bit. Colin G making putts. Much better stroke over. Dan, good pace.